MindMeister is an online mind mapping and brainstorming tool. It helps you to gather all of your thoughts and ideas in one place. It also provides you with the tools to easily organize and categorize the different elements of your mind map. It's a fairly straightforward tool to use. When you create an account, it will give you this sample mind map. Once you create an account, short tips will pop up as you go along that will walk you through how to create items and how to use the site. Each of these different options gives you examples on how you can create your mind map. You can start out with the first initial thought and then have the sub-thoughts and create siblings for the sub-thoughts and so on. It describes all of this for you as you go along. It has all these options over on the right-hand side as well that will let you personalize the mind map and create different colors, different numbering systems, different check marks or X marks, whatever you want, so the mind map can be completely customizable. My favorite aspect of the mind map website is the collaboration option. So if you go down to where it says share and you click on it, there's a bunch of different options for you to share it. So if I'm creating a mind map and I want to make it public, I want everybody in my social media circle to be able to take a look at it, I can go up to where it says social media, I can post it on my Facebook account, I can post it on Twitter or Pinterest, I can go down and I can publish my map if it's something that I think that the other users of MindMeister might be interested in. I can go in and publish it for everybody who uses the site to have access to it. I can go in and I can create a website link, so I can click where it says link to share. It will give me a website that I can copy and paste somewhere so people can just click a link to access it, or I can email it to people. I can also go up and invite people to my mind map by clicking in there, typing in their email address. I can allow it so that they can either just view my mind map or they can be editors. So this is actually a great collaboration tool as well. So I have the option to invite anybody I want. It could be classmates, coworkers, or whoever else to collaborate on the map with me. So we can work sort of in real time together. We can bounce ideas off of each other and we can work in unison to start out our project and to brainstorm together. So overall, it seems like a great site to use. The only problem that I've found so far with it is that the free version only gives you 3 mind map options. You can only create 3 maps at a time. If you want to, there is a pro version that you can pay for. It's about $5 a month, and it will allow you to have more maps available to you. But thus far, 3 maps has been okay for me. You just go in and you delete one when you want to create a new one. But if you're going to be collaborating with a bunch of different people and working on a lot of different projects, that might be a problem for you. Otherwise, it seems like a great tool, and it is definitely an easy, creative way to brainstorm, especially when you're doing it as a collaborative effort.